Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's make beetroot chapati. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes off. Add 1 cup of chopped beetroots. Saute them for a couple of minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Saute them until the raw smell goes off. Now transfer it into a mixer and grind it into a fine paste. Now our beetroot paste is ready. Let's know the benefits of beetroot. Benefits of beetroots are: beetroot strengthens your bones. Beetroot maintains a healthy liver. Eating beetroot maintains healthy potassium levels. Take 2 large cups of atta flour. One tablespoon of jeera seeds. 1 tablespoon of kasturi methi. Half tablespoon of ajwain seeds. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste. Just mix them all together. Now just add the beetroot paste. You can try this recipe at home. Even kids enjoy this. Add half cup of buttermilk. And for the rest of it, you can add water and make it into a dough. Now let's roll the dough. Dust the working area with flour. Place a small portion of dough. Just roll it into a circular shape. Kids' favorite color is pink, so they will enjoy eating it. Instead of making a plain puri chapati, just try this kind of veggie recipes. Beetroot roti. Toss both sides without applying any oil. After tossing, you can apply little oil on both the sides. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. For many more simple and healthy recipes, stay connected to Healthy Samayal.